Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do videos, how-to videos, and I do them every other day. And so if you like this channel, please subscribe, leave a comment or a like. So today I'm going to be talking about how to download YouTube videos. So this is kind of a controversial topic. Basically, I'm going to lay out why people download or how people download YouTube videos. And I'm going to talk about where you can download your own YouTube videos. So people download YouTube videos for two reasons, basically. The first is you download your own YouTube videos. So like sometimes you can erase your YouTube video. For example, if you're using a piece of software that saves it as a super huge file and you've uploaded it to YouTube and now you don't have the original one, you erased it by accident. Now you have a chance to go back into YouTube Studio and download your own video to save it somewhere. Kind of like a backup. So that's the first way, downloading your own projects. So the second way people download YouTube videos is to steal other people's content. And, you know, that's really controversial, but it's true. The only other reason why people would download videos is to steal other people's work. There's no reason why you should be downloading a YouTube video other than maybe if the power went off and you lost your internet connection and you wanted to download something and watch it offline or something like that. I could see maybe something like that, but there's no other reason to download a YouTube video, because if you want to watch a video again, you just go and press replay, or you refresh your screen and play it again. There's no reason for you to take that video and put it on some other platform or whatever, because you have to remember what you're actually essentially doing when you're doing a download, and it's not your own work. You're taking a copy of somebody else's video and you're saving it to another location. That's what you're doing when you're downloading something. It's kind of like, you remember in the old days when you used to rip songs on CD? Well, you're stealing some sort of content from one platform and you're putting it onto another. So, that is theft. So, like when you do a video or, you do a song or something like that, it becomes copywritten when somebody actually goes through the process of copywriting it. And if you don't have the rights or the license to use something that's copywritten, then it's theft, right? So the people who are downloading YouTube videos somehow, or trying to rip YouTube videos or copy a whole video off of that platform, they're stealing somebody else's property. So those are the two reasons why people download YouTube videos. You can download your own because that's your property. You created that video yourself. So that's why when you go into YouTube Studio on the back page, you can go to the content page, and then you just go to the little area where it shows the little video icon. You scroll over into those three little dots and then you click on it, and then there's a drop down menu and it says download. So you can do it that way in the back page of YouTube. I'm pretty sure that if you look in the terms of reference for YouTube, it clearly states that you cannot download YouTube videos because, that are not your own. Because, what's the point? You can always go back, sign into YouTube, go watch any video how many ever times you want. You don't have a reason to download somebody else's video onto your computer or onto your phone or whatever. So I'm told, I haven't tried this before, but I'm told that if you have YouTube Premium, you are able to download YouTube videos offline. So you're able to save them onto your phone or in the app or something like that. You're able to download them that way. But I'm not really sure. I've never tried that before. But like I said, I don't really see any other reason why you should be downloading a YouTube video that's not your own, because it is kind of like stealing that YouTube video. You didn't make it, so why do you think that you have the right to have a copy of it, a permanent copy of it? So this video has been about downloading YouTube videos. If you like this channel, please leave a like, a comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.